first episode of the new season is Bus Stop Buddies. We're going back to school. We're excited, positive vibes, good vibes. So let's celebrate that with some cute little rodent bus stop buddies for us. I have a squirrel and a chipmunk. They're so cute. Wait, hope you have fun. Grab some paper and something to draw with, and meet me right back here to draw some bus stop buddies. All right, my friends, let's draw some bus stop buddies. I'm gonna start with my first buddy, and that is a chipmunk. So let's see, I'm gonna start chipmunk over here. Okay, and I just drew this oval shape. And I'm going to give my chipmunk some stripes on the top of his head there. Like that. You can color those in maybe later. And let's see. I'm also going to give my chipmunk some eyes. And a nose, which is just the letter T. And you can use the letter T for any rodent, really. It always looks really cute. I put in some eyes there, some eyeballs. And how about some little ears? Dum, da, dum. We can do a little inner ear shape. That's cute. Great. And how about a smile? Aw. Now I'll do a little belly shape like this. Cute. Some little feet. I just keep hands and feet simple and cute. So those are some little stick feet. That is cute. And I'm going to add a hand here, little stick hand. And I will add a arm and hand here, and at the hand I'm just going to draw a little dot because his fist or her fist is closed because they're going to be holding a lunchbox. To draw the lunchbox, this will be a little tricky, but just do your best. I'm going to leave a little space from the hand, and I'm going to draw a rectangle shape. I guess lunchboxes come in all shapes now, but I will do this shape, and then I guess I could leave it like this, but I kind of want to add a little more dimension to it to make it a little more three-dimensional. So I'm going to add these little lines like this that go back from the corners, and I'm going to add a line down like that, and that's a little wonky. It's okay. It's not going to be perfect. I can't draw perfect. Like that. Great. And now we can add a line like this where the lunchbox opens, and a line down like that on the side. Can you guys see it sort of coming together? Maybe. Okay, I want to add a little handle, so that's why I've left a little bit of space. So you can put the handle, and let's double it up. Yeah, that's a lunchbox. And there's got to be a cool design on the lunchbox, right? So feel free to add in whatever picture you want here. I'm just going to do super duper star. Cool. Great job with that. It's pretty tricky. Drawing dimension is not easy. Okay, but we are missing something here. And if you said tail, you get 1,000,000 points. We're missing a tail. Okay, little chipmunk tail. So we're gonna go out and come back. Boop, just like that. And how about a little couple stripes? So there's one. And I'll do another one like that. So just so you can see two stripes, I'll just kind of like shade them in a little. Sometimes it's hard to tell what's going on when there's so many lines. But there you go. And maybe I'll color these in too. Chipmunk. Cute. And now let's draw the chipmunk's buddy, which is a squirrel. So if you have some space here on your paper, great. If you would like to grab a new piece of paper to draw the squirrel, that's totally cool. So I'm gonna see if I can fit this. I'm gonna slide you over, little dude, to fit my squirrel buddy. So for the squirrel, I'm gonna start with the squirrel's head. And so I'm gonna make the squirrel a little bit taller than chipmunk because they are, right, in real life. So I'm gonna start with a big letter U. Like that. And I'm going to, I really want to put the ears in. It's just calling to me. So a couple upside down U's and a little upside down U for an inner ear shape. Great. And how about a body? So just go, we're gonna probably run into the maybe chipmunk's tail a little. That's okay. Yeah. Great. Like that. And some eyes. Big eyes. I'm gonna do another T shape for the nose. Just keep it real simple. Awesome. A smile. And some cute little pupils. Aww. And then I'm going to, let's put some feet in. Now, when I'm drawing characters next to each other, I kind of see, let's see, where the first one's feet landed. So I'm gonna try and keep them on the same plane so they look like they're standing next to each other. So I can kind of, I wasn't planning on making squirrels' legs this long, but I will because they're kind of now level with chipmunks. Cool. We'll zoom out a little so you guys can see. Oh, they're so cute together. Okay, we still have a little work to do. So I want to put in a backpack on Squirrel, but how do we do that if Squirrel is facing forward? Well, we only really need to show a hint of the backpack, and we still will know it's a backpack, right? So what I did is I drew, hello, I'm an author. I drew the sides of the backpack there. And then I'm going to draw some straps to the backpack, but I kind of want to put the arms in first so I know where I'm going to put the straps. So let's draw an arm going out like this and like this. Oh, they could be holding hands maybe too, if yours reach that far. And okay, so I've planted my hands there, and now I'm going to start with the one strap here. So we can go like that, and then double that line up to really make it look like a backpack strap. Great. And do it again on the other side. Sweet. Yeah, that looks like a backpack. And I think I want, and you can even add like maybe there's, I don't know, a zipper, like going like this. Cool. And I think I want to add a little keychain like coming off the top of the backpack. So I'm just going to draw a little line here, and then I want to draw an acorn keychain, but you could draw whatever you want. Or no keychain. I think that's cute though. Okay, let's put in a tail. Squirrel tail. I'm gonna make this tail a bit longer than Chipmunk's, but the same shape. Cool. And I really want some little fur. Boop, 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 boop. Lines. I love adding these in any furry critter because it's so cute and I like the way it looks. Great. What do you guys think? Cool, right? And I've drawn my critters so big that I was going to put a bus stop sign next to them, but I have no more paper over here. So let's improvise, because we can do that when maybe things don't go as we planned when we're drawing. So there's a way to do it. There's always a way, right? Where there's a will. So I'm going to just put the bus stop sign like maybe in the distance behind them, so it'll be smaller. So what we can do is I'm going to zoom in, boop, and I'm going to draw a circle. That is the shape for my bus stop sign. And I'm gonna make it like a lollipop, basically. And I can double this line. Oh, straight lines are hard. Woo, do your best. Woo. And maybe there's like a little grass or something over there, you know. But it's behind them, so it's a little smaller. And now I can draw, I guess I could write bus stop, but I really want to draw a picture instead. So I'm going to draw the bus. I'm going to draw the bus facing forward. A lot of bus stop signs kind of have this symbol. I'm going to zoom in so you can see. Hello. Boop. And then the windshield to the bus. And some wheels. These are facing forward, so coming towards us. And some headlights to kind of bring it all together. Yeah, cool. And so now I can zoom out and I have my bus stop buddies ready for school, back to school. Hooray. And maybe if you want, you can add a little bit of shadow underneath their feet. La, 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 la. That's the shadow song. And I don't know, maybe there's stuff in the background. Clouds, sun, trees. Awesome job, you guys. Happy back to school and great job. Beep, 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 beep. I don't think that's the sound that squirrels and chipmunks make, but hooray, great job. Guys, look over here. Over here. I'm taking your picture. No.